Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious queso sauce. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring everything is ready before we even turn on the stove. Selecting the right cheese is crucial for that perfect creamy texture and rich flavor. I'll guide you through each step, making this classic dip easy and enjoyable to prepare right in your own kitchen. Let's dive in. Now, let's build our creamy base. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux, cooking it for about 1 minute. This helps thicken our sauce. Then, slowly pour in 1 1/2 cups of milk, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens nicely. This forms the foundation of our amazing queso. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And speaking of delicious, all that stirring can make you thirsty. Stay hydrated in the kitchen with an Eau à la water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your water cold while you cook up a storm. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With our base ready, it's time for the star ingredient, the cheese. Reduce the heat to low, then gradually add 2 cups of shredded cheese, stirring continuously until it's completely melted and smooth. Avoid high heat to prevent a grainy texture. Finally, season your queso with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little warmth. Taste and adjust as needed. Your basic queso is now ready, but let's talk customization. For an extra kick, stir in a 1/4 cup of diced jalapenos or a small can of green chilies. If you want a heartier dip, add 1/2 pound of cooked ground beef or chorizo. Serve your warm, delicious queso immediately with crispy tortilla chips, drizzled over tacos, or as a topping for nachos. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.